What's up, YouTube? So I got the amp that I'm going to be using for this build that I'm doing with the two iX8, and it is the Skar SK500 Mini. I haven't fully unboxed it yet. I just opened it because I wanted to see how small it was, and this thing is small, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And then I also got the amp kit from Sky High that I'm going to be using with it, so I'll unbox it too. It's their 8 gauge OFC kit. I feel weird using 8 gauge for power and ground wire, but I'm only wiring this thing to 2 ohms. This box that I'm building is only going to be wired at 2 ohms. And it says on the website that the SK500 puts out 380 watts at 14.4 volts. So I guess the inputs for it are 8 gauge, so I'm just going to go with it. Dude's on a budget, so it is what it is. So let's unbox this shit, and I'll show you guys how small this amp is. It's crazy. Alright, let's check it out. SK Mini 501 Class D. So this thing is super small. It looks bigger on camera right now. Super tiny, dude. Gain knob. Metal. I wish Skar would come out with the gain knob with the fucking clipping. The clipping light, that'd be cool. And then owner's manual. Let's see if it has the ratings. Okay. Phone is blurry. Alright, so this is where I'm going to be at. Power, 2 ohms, 380 watts at 1. My phone is not focusing at all. Anyways. There we go. It's funny, the speaker terminals are like almost as big as the power and ground. So is the remote. It's funny. But I don't know much about guts, but everybody always wants to see the guts. So, let's check out the guts. If I'm being honest, I don't really know much about the guts of an amp. I am a noob. But those are the guts. Looks pretty solid. This thing's as big as my head, dude. Smaller than my face. Holy shit. I'm interested to see how this is gonna sound. I think it was 119 bucks. It's cheap as shit. But like I said, I don't really know much about the guts, but it doesn't really look like anything in there will be shook and loose. Skar is the shit, man. If you're on a budget, dude, this is the way to go. Skar audio for the win. Let's unbox this amp kit real quick. Gage OFC, power and ground, 16 gauge, 10 foot OFC speaker wire, 16 gauge, 17 feet OFC remote wire, high quality RCA cables. I did get the triple shielded ones. They're like $7 extra, I can't remember. And a 75 amp mini A&L fuse and holder. I've gotten a bunch of kits from Sky High. I've never gotten one in a box like this. So here's the triple shielded RCAs. These are what I have in my car now. They're great. I haven't had any problems. It's a little fuse holder, the mini. Here's all the wire. Power wire, remote wire, ground, and speaker. I love sky high wire. These zip ties suck though. They never really work. Some grommets, some heat shrink. But this kit was with the upgraded RCAs. I believe this was like $46. So what we're looking at here is basically like $160 or $170. Then I got two IX8s for $80. Sheet of plywood for like $32. And a little budget banging. So that's that. Just wanted to share this with you guys. This thing is super small. Just for reference, super tiny. Thanks for watching all of my videos. If you subscribe, I appreciate it. If you're already subscribed, fuck yeah. Stay tuned. This amp kit, IX8s, in the middle of making the box and making a video for it, and then I'll do another video of the install and the demo. And I got another video coming on an update on my box for my build in my car. The fuckload of new shit that I bought for it. Yeah, I'm excited. That's it, man. Just a quick unboxing. Bass on. Fuck yeah. Please subscribe. Have a good night.